factor that is further enhanced by a wide range of colours, of which the Sphere Blue Pearl Metallic is my favourite. Of course, my wife likes this one, and this is the energetic Red Pearl Metallic. Yet, it's not just a robust image. Just as you'd expect from a Suzuki SUV, it's confident and capable in all road conditions. You see, all grades of the S-CROSS are equipped with a powerful 1.4 litre booster jet turbocharged petrol engine, working seamlessly in combination with Suzuki's 48 volt hybrid technology. An electric motor helps the petrol engine when it's under stress, for example accelerating or going up a hill, and then it uses the energy created during deceleration to recharge its battery. The result? We get spirited performance with a strong torque output that's enhanced by the hybrid motor and excellent economy, making even the longest drives effortless while helping to reduce your fuel costs. With carbon dioxide emissions as low as 120 grams per kilometre, this is also far better for the environment, and hybrid is always standard on the car. No more to pay. It's remarkable what you get, and the good news, it doesn't stop there. Opt for a grade with the all-grip select four-wheel drive system, like this one here, and you have a car that runs in two-wheel drive for efficiency, yet engages four-wheel drive when needed in a variety of different conditions. What's more, it's available with both manual and automatic transmissions. However, to call the S-CROSS an SUV would only tell half of the story. Yes, it's rugged. Yes, the S-CROSS provides that high position for you and your passengers, providing a clear, commanding view of the road ahead. Yes, it provides that innate sense of safety that SUVs give. Yet it takes the best qualities of SUVs and incorporates them into a comfortable, on-road focused package. One that provides greater comfort at motorway speeds, improved handling on those twisty roads, aiding the car's exceptional performance and economy. Then there's the technology in the car that makes life easy. Jump inside and you are faced with this huge central display. All grades come with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So my phone just connects as soon as the ignition is switched on, and I can use some of my apps safely through the car's screen or through voice activation whilst on the move. Speaking of on the move, as I drive out to spaces, look what I have, a 360-degree camera. Combined with the standard front and rear parking sensors, it means that no matter where the car is, there is no reason why we can't see what's around us. So no need to worry over tight spaces or running over a camera crew. What's more, the S-CROSS is packed full of all the equipment you need as standard, just as you'd expect from a Suzuki. Automatic headlamps and windscreen wipers, dual zone auto air conditioning, heated front seats, front and rear parking sensors, and keyless entry and engine start just add to the relaxed atmosphere for me, making long journeys a doddle at no extra cost. Oh, and the information display in the centre of the dials provides all the additional information you need, as well as allowing you to set up some of the car's features, so it'll keep us technophiles happy as well. Staying inside the car, it doesn't matter where I sit, I still have plenty of space, as well as the peace of mind that I've got from this high up visibility. It's such an airy cabin, especially if, like me, you have the Ultra with its huge double sliding panoramic sunroof. Need luggage space? The 430 litre boot is more than capable of handling your needs and can easily be expanded up to 1,230 litres. Oh, just look at the flexibility of that space. Of course, you can rest assured knowing that you and your occupants are being protected by the very latest in proactive safety equipment, which is included as standard whichever model you choose. So now, when choosing your new car, all you really need to agree on is whether it's manual or automatic transmission and which colour.